What's up, everyone? As you can see, there is some damaged head bolts on my '04 Silverado. I bought the truck like this, and it seems to be having very small things to fix every time I go through and check everything. So today's is about an exhaust leak that we're fixing. Two exhaust bolt studs that are broken. We're gonna attempt to remove them and see what happens. So I attempted to remove these with the head on, and it didn't turn out too great. I made a huge mistake and drilled a really terrible, but I took it over to my friend's shop, and he was able to help me out. We tried a method with aluminum welding sticks to see how well it holds up. I've seen a couple videos of it holding up pretty good, but we'll see what happens and how long it'll stay. I know this ain't the proper way to fix these things, but we did what we had. Yeah, you can see that shit looks like fucking trash.
That's disgusting.
And yeah, that one I was able to do something different with, but here's more footage of us attempting to make the threads. So we left the bolt in there, and we just heated up the metal and added our aluminum stick. You do have to heat this up to 710 degrees, I think. But we're using I think we ended up using MAP gas.
Did it get puddly?
That's disgusting.
We used what is it? 9/16 size nut. Welded on top of it. We had to do it 2 times. Second time worked like a charm. Whole stud and bolt came out. There you go. There you have it.
Dave Holmes. Good evening, bitches.